This brand is from Heat Controller, which is a part of Motors and Armatures Inc., but they do not make their own mobile home furnaces. The MG1EA series furnaces are made by Nortec Global HVAC. They have hot surface ignition, which is more durable and reliable than spark ignition systems, and an energy-efficient constant torque ECM blower motor. They have an 80% AFUE efficiency, but they do not have a box for the air conditioner coil built into the furnace. The DGAX models are standard 80% efficient gas furnaces that are made by UPG, which is a part of Johnson Controls. They have an ECM blower motor and a built-in box for the air conditioner coil. The warranty on the heat exchangers, which is the heart of any gas furnace, is not very good when compared to other brands. The M5 model is a basic oil furnace with an 83% AFUE combustion efficiency and a PSC blower motor, which is not as durable or efficient as brands with an ECM motor. The E7ED is an electric furnace that is backed by a decent guarantee, and they have a durable, efficient constant torque ECM blower motor. The E7ED and M5SB models are made in Mexico by Nortec Global HVAC. This brand receives a 2-star Don't Buy rating for gas furnaces, a 3-star budget pick rating for oil furnaces, and a 4-star top pick rating for electric furnaces from HvacRepairGuy.